Hi students, now I am going to take 11th standard maths chapter 2 basic algebra. In the partial, today we are going to discuss about partial fractions. That is a rational expression f of x divided by g of x is said to be proper if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. So today we are going to solve how to split a proper fraction into partial fractions. Here the question is 3x plus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1. Always we have to factorize the denominator. If it is given in quadratic form or cubic form, we have to factorize into linear factor or quadratic factor. Then only we have to solve the sum. In this question directly it is factorized. 3x plus 1 divided by denominator, two different factors are there. So when we are splitting this, since two different factors are there, a divided by first factor plus b divided by second factor. Then we can write the left side as it is. Always we have to take the LCM for the right side. When we are taking LCM, here both factors are different. So the LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 1. After take the LCM, just you can cross multiply a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1. Whenever we are writing up to this step, always both sides the denominators are equal. So you can cancel the denominator. So remaining term we are having 3x plus 1 equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. Now we want to select different values for x and we have to find out the unknown value a and b. So from these two factors itself we can select what are the values we have to substitute for x. Here x plus 1 is there. So if x plus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. So first step we can take x is equal to minus 1. This x is equal to minus 1. We have to substitute in this expression 3x plus 1 equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 2. When you are substituting x is equal to minus 1, we are getting minus 3 plus 1 equal to a into minus 1 plus 1 is 0 plus b into minus 3. That is minus 3b is equal to minus 2. Both side minus you can cancel. Now we are getting b is equal to 2 by 3. So when we select the first value, x is equal to minus 1, a is cancelled, we are getting the other constant b is equal to 2 by 3. Now you can select the other one, x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. So when you are substituting x is equal to 2 again in this expression, here you will get 6 plus 1 equal to a into 2 plus 1 plus b into 2 minus 2, 0. That is 7 equal to 3a. Therefore, a is equal to 7 by 3. After find out the value of a and b, we have to replace this a and b. In the first step, we split and wrote in two different factors. There we have to replace the value a and b. So once more we have to write the question 3x plus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to value of a is 7 by 3. So 7, this denominator value you have to write along with the denominator factor. So 7 divided by 3 into x minus 2, then value of b is equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 divided by 3 into x plus 1. So if the expression is given in proper fraction, we can follow this method. We have to factorize the denominator, split into two different factors and we have to find out the unknown value a and b. Then a and b must be replaced with the answer what we got. Now the next question is x divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. So first step, we have to factorize the denominator x minus 1 the whole cube. When we are factorizing, Here we are having x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, 3 times it is repeated. If any factor is repeated like this, we can split this fraction as a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 the whole square plus c divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. Next we have to take the LCM. We have to take the LCM here. Here only x minus 1 is there. So x minus 1 the whole square, a into x minus 1 the whole square plus b into x minus 1 the whole square is there. So you have to write b into x minus 1. Here denominator x minus 1 the whole cube. So here only c you have to write. Divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. Always the denominator will be cancelled. After take the LCM, you have to cancel the denominator. Now we are getting the term x equal to a into x minus 1 the whole square plus b into x minus 1 plus c. Here we have to substitute different value for x to find out the unknown value a, b, c. So x minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. So you can select first when x is equal to 1, a into 0, b into 0 plus c. So directly we are getting the value of c is equal to 1. No other x value we can select from this expression. In this case, we have to equating the corresponding terms both right side and left side. So equating the coefficient of x square. In this expression, here the coefficient of x square is only a. But in the left side, we are having only x. There is no x square. So when we are equating the coefficient of x square, we will get a is equal to, there is no x square term. So a is equal to 0. So the value of a directly we are getting when we are equating the coefficient of x square. Now to find out the other value b, we can select any different value. We can substitute any different value for x. Here we are selecting for x is equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 0 in this expression. 0 equal to a into x. X equal to 0 means minus 1 the whole square only is there. So a, here minus 1. So minus b plus c. C and a, these two values you can substitute in this expression. Therefore 0 equal to 0 minus b plus 1. From this we are getting b is equal to 1. After find out the value a, b, c, replace a, b, c. 1 by x minus 1 the whole cube equal to a is equal to 0. 0 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square plus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole cube. So we know 0 divided by any value 0 only. So that term you can cancel it. Remaining values you can write for conclusion. Therefore 1 by x minus 1 the whole cube equal to 1 by x minus 1 the whole square plus 1 by x minus 1 the whole cube. Now let us solve one more sum. Here x minus 1 the whole square divided by x cube plus x. So the first step is we have to factorize the denominator. Here in the denominator we are having x cube plus x. X is common. If you have taken x outside, we are getting x square plus 1. After that we cannot factorize. That is x square plus 1 is x square plus 1 only. If it is x square minus 1, once more we can factorize by the formula a square minus b square form. Here it is x square plus 1 means we have to leave as it is. So x minus 1 the whole square divided by x cube plus x is x minus 1 the whole square divided by x into x square plus 1. So if you are having factor as quadratic form, linear factor means we are writing a divided by one factor, b divided by the other factor, like that we are writing. If it is in quadratic form, the power is 2 means quadratic form, then we can write bx plus c divided by that factor you have to write. So the first one linear factor a divided by x, second one bx plus c divided by x square plus 1. when you take the LCM, cross multiply a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x divided by x into x square plus 1. Denominator cancel. Now we are getting x minus 1 the whole square is equal to a into x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x. Here also we have to find out 3 unknown values a, b, c. So if I am selecting x equal to 0, any one of the value we have to cancel. Then only we can find out the other value. So if I am taking x equal to 0, this term fully cancelled. So here also x equal to 0 minus 1, the whole square is 1. Here x equal to 0, only a will get. So a is equal to 1. Next, when we are equating the coefficient of x square, left side x minus 1 the whole square, when we expand, the coefficient of x square is 1. Right side we are having a into x square. So a, here bx into x. So bx square, b is also a coefficient of x square. So we are getting 1 equal to a plus b. The first step we got a is equal to 1. If we substitute a is equal to 1, the value of b will get 0. Therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0. Another one value we have to find out for c. So, you can substitute any other value. You can substitute different values for x and we can find out the remaining value. So, when x is equal to 1, substitute here. When x is equal to 1, left side is 0. Here 1 plus 1, a into 1 plus 1, 2 plus we are taking x is equal to 1. So, only b plus c. X equal to 1 means b into 1. Here also 1 is there. So, we are getting the expression as 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Here the value of a and b when you are substituting, a is equal to 1. So, 2 into 1, 2. B is equal to 0. So, 2 plus c is equal to 0. There we are getting c is equal to minus 2. Now, replace a, b, c in the first expression. Therefore, x minus 1 the whole square divided by x cube plus x is equal to 1 by x plus 0x minus 2. 0x you can leave it. So, the last answer you can write x minus 1 the whole square divided by x cube plus x is equal to 1 by x minus 2 divided by x square plus 1. Thank you, children.